Hi guys, Wednesday quickie. It's really quick and simple. There's no thinking about this. I've got some jalapenos that I've already gutted them out, made a jalapeno boat like Tango Joe taught us. You just cut a slit on top, like make sure your jalapenos even. Cut a slit on top and just go in a V to the point. Scoop that out, clean it out. And there you go. So you can fit more stuff and it doesn't leak out and all that good stuff. I got some string cheese here with jalapeno. Mozzarella with jalapenos. Why not? And my pasta sauce is this. It's got like chunks of carrots and corn and all kinds of vegetables, roasted vegetables in there. It's really nice. And bacon, thin sliced bacon. Okay, oh, and pepperoni. And these are big slices of pepperoni. Okay, so here's what I was thinking. We're gonna put the pepperoni in the boat. See that? A little bit of the sauce. Like that. And we're gonna need like, let's see, about this much cheese. Try to push her down. I'm gonna wrap it in bacon. Right? I don't know. We'll see. Just like that. Now in the air fryer I have the rack in there. Because anytime I cook something with bacon, I always use the rack so the grease floats to the bottom. So there you go. I'm gonna finish those, change the angle, and we'll be back. I'm sure somebody's going, why didn't you put the top over there? You could. Thanks for the suggestion. Alright, so let me finish this. We'll be back. So, something I forgot to tell you. I don't know if you've seen my other videos about the Jalapeno Popper challenge. You need to participate in that if you make videos. Just throw in any kind of idea you got, whatever. I mean, that's what it's all about. Do something different. Alright, let me finish this. Let's go. We're going to go full blast. Number 4, which is 400. Bottom's on. And I'm just going to cook this till the bacon's cooked. I'll let you know how long. Okay, so that was about 15 minutes. A little bit of cheese oozed out of a couple of them, but it looks good. So I'm going to let it cool and we'll see what it looks like. We'll be back. Let's cut right in the middle and see what it looks like. Not a whole lot of cheese came out of there. Let's see. Oh, goodness. It smells delicious. Okay. I'm not eating that whole bite. That's ridiculous. That's so good. That pepperoni is so good in there. That's spicy, but that's what I wanted. So you can use like regular mozzarella string cheese instead of the jalapeno one. But it's delicious. That sauce is so good in there. So just cook it till the bacon's done. And you got yourself an appetizer. Alright, thanks for shopping. Bye-bye.